everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I thought I'd go ahead and share just what I've been up to. I haven't done a video for, seems like a week or so. But anyway, been loving playing with this die right here. I shared this with you guys last time, and I shared these little pillow boxes that I had been making, and I had to create some more of these because I'm going to be giving some cookies out as gifts, and like these butter cookies. These are really cute. They do have a little snowflake on top already. I got this at Sam's Club, and it's nicely decorated already, but I just wanted to add a little something either on top or right here. So I decided to go ahead and create some more of these. And these are good to have on hand because you can put this on an envelope with a card. If you're sending Christmas cards, you can put them in a smaller bag like this. It's just a great little topper. You can put on a topper, use it as a topper. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. And all I did was I used this die right here, and then I used some of the snowflake stickers from Michaels. It came in a pack of, oh gosh, they gave you a lot, but anyway, it comes in silver and gold, and I ran out of the silver ones, but the silver ones look like this. And so I had to bust out this older die right here. This is a Stacked Snowflakes by Tim Holtz. And I used the biggest one, and I made these right here, and I just put the foam tape on the back so that it's ready to go. And then the only different thing I did was I used a lot of eyelash trim. After I had cut the snowflake out, I put the eyelash trim over the snowflake, and then I layered the pinwheel, and then I also used these, which are, I can't remember even where I got these. These were from Michaels, but these were a few years ago. I have them in my jar right here, and they come in different colors. It also comes in red and green. I think I might have gotten these from the Dollar Tree. Can't remember. It could have been at Michaels as well. The silver ones might have been from Michaels. But yeah, just really easy and simple. If you don't have those other, you know, buttons and bling, you can use these little pom-poms, and they come out so stinking cute. So I made a bunch of those. I'm trying to just do a little crafting here and there, but it's been so busy. You know, I've had to do some shopping and spend time with my family, see some friends. So I've also, so in between, I tried to play with a die. I did play with this one, which I've been forever wanting to play with. It's the small poinsettia die by Elizabeth Craft Designs. And this is how they came out. I did use some felt, and I didn't use all the little pieces. I did use these, which, I don't know, they kind of do bother me. Like, there's just too many little itty-bitty pieces. So, not a favorite die, but, you know, if there's more time, you know, I would definitely make these. But I felt like they were just, I don't know, it took me longer to create them and to cut them out versus this one right here. I don't know why. I'm loving this one. It's one piece, and I can just assemble them a lot quicker. So this is still a pretty die, though. I do like this die, and I'm glad I did get it because I didn't have a poinsettia die, and I do like this size. I also played with this die here by Lindy Canasi, and I hope I'm saying her name right. This is the 3D bow. And I only made one because, again, this one was a little tough to do too, because you have to cut so many pieces. I think it's 4 of the big ones, or sorry, 5 of the big ones, 4 4 of the medium one, and then the center one, and it does come out nice though. I do like that. It comes out just like the bows that you buy, but just a little too much work for me. So, but this one is cute, and I did use one of these for my daughter's Christmas present, which she already opened. So that's what I've been up to, you guys. I'm trying to see what else to show you, but I think that's all that I've been, and then, you know, I've been making the pillow boxes, these and these, this one here, this one you know, you put these knick-knack embellishments from Hobby Lobby. They come, I think these are knick-knacks, yeah. These are great from Hobby Lobby. And I did this one right here, and I think the rest of them I already showed you guys, but I made a ton of these, you guys. I gave them out to my coworkers. They loved them. Again, I put hand creams on inside these, and I also, you know, put some of the lip balm. And yeah, I have so many more Christmas dice to play with, just, you know, not enough time because it's just been pretty crazy busy this holiday season. So I hope everyone's having a great holiday and having fun, you know, crafting. And I do have a haul for you guys. I'm behind on my haul videos as well, but I'm going to share that with you on the next video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.